So the placenta previa, as the name denotes, it means the placenta is coming in front, previously. Okay, so previa is a Latin word that means in front, before. Okay, and suppose the mother is having multiple gestation, twin pregnancy. In that condition, what happened? There may be a one big placenta or there may be a two placenta. So in either of the condition, the placenta is going to be implant up to the lower segment because there is a larger surface area of the placenta to supply more fetuses. And the fourth type is the complete, where whether the cervix is completely closed or it is dilated. In either of the condition, the placenta completely lies over the internal os. So that is called complete. In late second and third trimester, the size of the lower segment and the upper segment progressively increases, and that's why if the implantation of placental tissue is just near the internal os but not up to the internal os, okay, so if it is lying just near the internal os, it will relocate itself in the upper segment, because what happened, there is a